Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more ChoroQ videos, 164 Tune cars, and other car toy brand. So anyway guys, I have another additional in my collection of ChoroQ. And this one guys, it's an old Formula 1 guys. And it's a Honda RA 272 1965. I think this old Formula 1 from Honda guys have 4 or 6 different style guys, but I just got this one, and in my collection it's the only one Formula 1 vintage from Honda. So I will hunt the others guys. So anyway, this is a brand new, came from Japan guys, and yesterday afternoon it was in my area and they already delivered in my place. So this is a brand new Honda Formula 1 RA272, and it's 1965 model guys. Okay, and it's still in sealed guys, as you can see. So let's open it guys and unbox it. Okay, oh, still on both side guys, sorry. Okay, let's check this out. Go. So guys, this is a Formula 1 from 1965 by Honda, and this is not the other version of this guys. You can pull this engine cover, but this one I cannot pull this one guys to see the engine, but the other model of this car guys, you can pull it out. And then anyway guys, let's see the item. It's a brand new Honda RA272. It's a Formula 1 race car from 1965. Okay, and it has a number 11 race number and a logo of Japan, the rising sun. Then it has Honda on the front fender and 11 also on the side, both sides. And it has a gender, maybe gender is the driver. I don't have any idea guys. So at the back guys, the coin slot and the muffler is overlap from the coin slot at the rear. Okay, then at the bottom guys, it says Takara Tomy and 2002, made in China. Because it's made in China, I think it's a little bit noisy engine. Yes. So again guys, if you see the wheels, they are chrome 5 spokes standard wheels. Okay, and this one is a standard size also, ChoroQ. So again guys, this is the Honda Formula 1, and the model of this is RA272, and this is from 1965. And again guys, this car is designed by Yoshi Nakamura and Shoichi Sana for the 1965 Formula 1 season guys. Okay? So, that's it guys. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!